Hello everyone, PCI Race Radio is here to show you a couple of really neat tricks in the Garmin Tread Baja XL. We're going to show you how to adjust waypoint text size along with your track width. For the waypoints, you'll go into Apps, Tools, Settings, Map Display, and then you'll scroll down till you get to waypoint labels. I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see a test one that I have off onto the side. You have large, normal, and small, and you can see the change that's happening to Roxanne right there. So make those changes, press save, play around with those and see what works best for your team. The other one, back out to the main menu screen here, and we'll go into our track width from race files. You'll select all and go to one of your tracks, and then you can pick any track that you have saved in here. If you don't have one, then you can just create one. Click on the track, into the tool on the top left-hand corner to track width. And then you have the option of widest, wider, and normal. Now note that even though you're changing this in the specific track, it's not changing it just for this one track. It does change it for all of your tracks. So same thing, test those out, play around with those, see what works best for your team. And one more quick tip while we're in here from the latest Garmin release, they've added uppercase only that some of you have asked for while entering in your pre-run notes. So previously, if you were typing in rocks, it would all be lowercase. And we've had some requests for people to be able to enter that all in uppercase without having to press that each time. So now if you double tap quickly on the shift button here, it will lock it into uppercase and you can keep that in uppercase while you're typing in your notes. So great new features. Excited that Garmin has added these to the lineup. All of these are on our Garmin cheat sheet on our website at www.pciraceradios.com. Make sure that you like and follow us on YouTube so that you guys can hear about more cool tips and tricks like this. Thanks, and we'll see you guys in the desert.